Hey guys, and today I'm going to teach you how to fold this PayPal logo. So you will need a square sheet of paper, and first you're going to fold the paper into 8 by 8 grid, and we will start with color setup. So fold in half and fold edge to the crease right here. So rotate and fold the other side. Then you divide the paper in 4. So now do it on this direction. Now turn the paper over, we fold paper in half and hold this crease right here and fold it to this edge, then align and make the crease. Right, then do the same thing, fold this edge to this edge. Right, and make the crease and turn the paper over, do the same thing. Then on fold you get thing is divided into 8, so we do the same thing on this direction. Right, now you have divided the paper into 8 by 8 grid. So now what we're going to do is we're going to fold some crease. So first of all, fold this edge to this crease right here. Then we're going to make a crease right like this, right? So what I'm going to do, fold this edge to this center crease like this, align and fold the diagonal. So fold until here, right? Then for these two, for the first one we fold it like this, so 2 bars like this, and fold right here and make this until this point. Then for this one you just fold paper in half like this, down it in half, so align everything but not making any crease, but only make this right here, right? So now fold this existing crease, fold this in, right? Then fold this up, crease it, and now make this crease right here into belly fold. So turn the paper over, make it into multifold. So this side will be belly fold. And now we're going to fold these two crease, this And now push this and make it into very fold. So we just take this edge and maybe this edge, this, and you will make it into very fold. So now we unfold, and now we're going to make crease like this. So from this point to this point. Right, so how to do it? You put your finger underneath this and use your thumb and fingers and make this crease like this. So use your finger, put underneath, will look like this. So you make the crease above your fingers like this. Then take your finger away, then make it in the crease like this. Right, and now remake those very folds like this. Then go, this fold is modern, right? So just fold this to this crease and this, and back down, make a new crease right here. So now I'm going to fold this edge to this edge and make crease until this point. You can see this point right here. So it's about 3 square far like this. And now what I'm going to do is make this crease right here into modern fold. Then we're going to fold about this. So we're not folding on this crease, but making a new crease like this. I'll show you. So make it and fold, so it's like this, right? So it will look like this. Then we turn the model over and I'm going to make a structure fold right here. So take this layer, you fold it up, and for doing that we squash this down. Right, then at this point I'm going to make a squash fold. So fold along this crease, right, then squash. So this crease is the crease we made just now, and now you can see this belly fold. You push it to the left and you just squash this one as well. So the crease we just made is useless. So for this one we just flatten down like this. Right, then turn the model over. Now going to fold this crease right here, and we're going to squash fold, so you see it's aligned. Then make this crease right here, while on this side you see there's something going to do, so you push your finger and kind of push this part, and so we make this kind of like a squash fold, so right there. And now what I'm going to do is fold this back like this and make this fold like this, and make a fold right here. Then use reverse fold and you get something look like this. So now fold this, and I'm going to fold this down, so this edge will align with this crease right here. Fold this back, and you can see. So now we're going to fold this edge to this crease. Like this. So like this, right? Then fold this behind to shape it into the P shape. So use model fold. So right here, same thing, right? Then for this one, what I'm going to do is fold it this, then use small fold to make the curve. And one more thing is right here, the most tricky one. So you open this, right, with this, and going to make, so you use your finger, push it, and I'm going to make crease like this. So make a crease right here, right? Then kind of push this, and you see there's something coming out. You just make it like this, just pushing this, and so you already make the crease, and you just lay it like this, and voila. So the last thing is fold this up like this and hide it underneath this one, and you're done. So if you like this model, please don't forget to click thumbs up button, and also please don't forget to click the subscribe and also click the notification bell as well. And you can watch our video right here. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye.